So you're thinking about moving to Toronto? In today's video, we are going to show you around the neighborhood of Forest Hill. And we're also going to show you some different price points when it comes to different homes in this area so that you can see which one fits your budget. And if you stick until the very end, I'm going to share with you the best kept secret of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. So let's get started. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living and moving to Toronto, then you're going to want to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you can be the first to know all about the Toronto market. My name is Amanda Zarrido, and we get calls and emails daily from people just like you who are looking to get help when it comes to moving to Toronto, and we absolutely love it. So whether you are looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, you're going to want to click that link down below in the description and fill out our call form. And then that way we could set up a call so that we can help you make that smooth move to Toronto. So now let's get into the tour. Forest Hill is a upscale neighborhood in the midtown Toronto area, and it is known for its tree-lined streets, its grand homes, and of course the exclusivity that you get here in this neighborhood. So I know today is a little bit dark, it's rainy, but hey, this is how Toronto weather is sometimes when it is fall going into winter. So it is what it is. We're going to do today's video regardless, so let's get started. This neighborhood is home to some of Toronto's most prestigious private and public schools, including Forest Hill Collegiate Institute, Upper Canada College, and so much more. Right now, I am right in front of the Bishop Stratton School, which is a renowned all-girl private school, right? And this school is really focused on girls in terms of academics, leadership, and character building. So it is a very sought out after school here in this neighborhood. Just one of the few. There are so many great schools in this neighborhood, so many to choose from. So this is just one of them. You'll also have access to different subways and bus routes in this area. Plus they're making new subways in the area as well. Forest Hill is surrounded by beautiful green spaces, including this park right here, which is Cedar Vale Park, which offers walking trails and sport facilities. And then there's the Beltline Trail, which is a very popular path where people bike and run. But this park is a beautiful natural attraction here in the Forest Hill area, offering amazing scenery and so much greenery. Features walking and bicycle trails, sports facilities, and picnic areas, just to highlight a few things of this park. Let's take a look. The area offers upscale shopping and dining experiences, both along Eglinton Avenue West and also in the village as well. Right now we're on Eglinton Avenue West, where you'll find a lot of different boutique shops, fine dining restaurants, and cozy cafes. They have absolutely everything here, so let's take a look. This charming area is often referred to as the Village in Forest Hill and features a mix of boutique shops, different services, and dining options. It definitely has that classic village feel to it, which creates a very unique shopping and dining experience in this area. And Banfi, my favorite Italian restaurant in the whole city. The neighborhood is home to cultural attractions like the Spadina Museum, which is also known as the Spadina House. It is a historic mansion that offers a glimpse into Toronto's history. It is located here in Forest Hill. The museum features guided tours, exhibits that showcase the life in the early 20th century, and is a cultural attraction that provides insight into the city's past. And then we have one of Toronto's biggest attractions, one of them anyways, which is Casa Loma right here, which is improper Spanish for hill house and is a Gothic style castle, mansion, and garden here in Midtown Toronto. It is a house museum and a landmark now here in the city. This neighborhood is characterized by its luxury homes, including grand mansions, Georgian-style residencies, and modern architectural mavens. Forest Hill is divided into two parts, which is Forest Hill North and then Forest Hill South. So let's go explore. Now it's time for us to look at some current homes on sale right now in this area. We're going to start off at the lowest price point, which is at just under 2.5 million, and it's just this house right over here, and it is 3+1 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. Let's go take a look inside. Now we're at home number 2, which is at the mid-price range. This beautiful home is going for $6 million. It has 5+1 bedrooms and 5 washrooms. So now let's go take a look. Also, another thing to note is that there's a school just right over here, literally across the street. So the location is amazing. Now we're at home number 3, the highest price point, which is at $12.7 million. This home has 4.1 bedrooms and 8 washrooms. It is a 2-story French style house right behind me right here. And now let's take a look at the inside. What is the best kept secret of this neighborhood? It's more of a fact. If you didn't already know, Forest Hill is actually one of not only Toronto but Canada's wealthiest neighborhoods. And so because of that, and because of this community that has a high net worth community that is tight knit, it makes it one of the most sought after and unique and exclusive neighborhoods in Canada. Another bonus is that in this area, even though it's in the city, you're gonna have big, massive backyards with pools, which is unheard of in other parts of the city. Hope you enjoyed today's tour video, and if you did, click that like button and leave a comment down below and let us know what you liked best about the Forest Hill neighborhood. Also, if you are thinking about making that move to Toronto, make sure to click that link down below in our description box. Fill out that call form so that we can help you make that smooth move to Toronto. And if you would like to see more Toronto neighborhood videos like this one, then you're definitely going to want to watch this one right here. So until next time, see you around the city, and God bless.